How to delete incognito browser history on iPhone. Incognito mode, also known as private browsing, does not save browsing history, cookies, or site data once the tab is closed. However, some traces may still exist. So, in order to do that, first of all you have to do is close all incognito tabs. So, I'm using the Chrome Incognito. Tap on the tab icon and close all the incognito app, and all you have to do is go back to the normal mode. Now here, once you are in the normal mode, all you have to do is clear the DNS cache optionally. Sometimes website from private browsing may be cached in DNS, so all you have to do is enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disable it. And once you do so, simply restart your iPhone. It will flush DNS cache. So lastly, incognito mode prevents browser history from being stored. Once tabs are closed, your browsing activity is usually gone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.